What's up, Hookah World? This is DMZ TV with your favorite host, your favorite Costa Rican, your boy, Alberto. And on today's episode, we're gonna be talking Wookah. Alright guys, first things first, we want to give a special thanks to Wookah for sending us this amazing hookah that they shipped all the way from Poland straight to DMZ TV. So thank you guys, we appreciate that. This is the second version of the Wookah and it hasn't hit the market yet in the United States. Now let's start building it up. So over here we got the upper stem with the heart already built in. Really nice design with the wood. Oof, like it a lot. We're gonna take the down stem and we're gonna connect it right here. There we go. Okay. With that done, we're gonna grab the charcoal tray. Gonna put it up here. There we go. We're gonna grab the bowl grommer. Gonna connect it. Really nice and beautiful. There we go. There we go. We're gonna connect it to the base. Let's not forget the base. Really simple, guys. Even your girlfriend can build this. Oops. Let's hope they don't get mad. Then we're gonna connect the hose, and that's pretty much it, man. That's it. Beautiful. Booyah! Alright guys, so I brought my co-host DeMarco so he can help me share the experience that we've had with the Wookah for like the past 2-3 weeks. DeMarco, what are your thoughts about this, man?
Wookah, beautiful. Open draw, big clouds, the design is amazing. The smooth vase, even the grips at the bottom. I love how it locks right in, in the middle. I love it. Yeah. It's amazing. And
I'm actually glad you mentioned that, man, because with the second version, it actually has a quick lock.
Beautiful.
Yeah, man. Beautiful, simple.
Beautiful.
You know? And also with the hose, man, as you can tell, it comes with a nice leather design.
Well, of course, with the embroidery.
Yeah.
The Wookah embroidery.
Yeah,
yes, sir.
Man. And also, we got the...
No grommet.
No grommet. Yeah, man. Quick eye. I like that you noticed that fast. Yeah, no grommet, man.
Oh, the design on the...
On the wood. Yeah, man. Actually,
crazy.
Yeah, now that you mentioned that, it's the version of this, the design is actually called Grom Paduk, which Grom is a Polish word which means thunder, and Paduk is actually the wood that they use on it. It's because of the designs, man. Like, it's the type of wood and everything. Really nice.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Wookah, I got a countertop I want you guys to do at my house.
So DeMarco, you ready to smoke, man?
That's why I'm here, bro. I'm here to smoke.
Let's get it.
I killed that.
Well, the hookah's ready. DeMarco, you ready?
That's why I'm here.
Perfect, man. And also, the products that we're gonna be using tonight is the charcoal cocoa soul, shisha social smokes,
Pink lemonade.
Yeah, buddy. And we got Hookah John bowl, man. All right, let's hit it up.
Pipe it up, bro. Look at the lava in the water. Oh.
Ooh.
Cloud. Oh, are you
Nice
blowing
cloud.
clouds, huh?
Yeah, let me see your cloud.
Where'd they go? I didn't see it. Where'd they go? Yo, the draw on this is crazy.
It's a nice draw, right?
The draw is crazy,
like
bro.
It's really smooth.
Big clouds, big clouds. Beautiful design. Yeah, there you go. That's what I'm talking about.
Alright guys, once again, we want to thank Wookah for sending us this amazing hookah. And I hope you guys appreciate this video of the unveiling of the version 2 of the Wookah. DeMarco, any last thoughts, man?
Like I said, it's amazing hookah, amazing design. Yo, if you want huge clouds with amazing hookah, Wookah's the hookah to go with. Still one of my favorite brands. Say excuse me next time. Wookah, out the park. Amazing. You good?
Yeah.
Now guys, you know the drill. Smash that like button.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget that little bell at the top.
Ling, 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 ling.
Well, it's your co-host, DeMarco.
And your favorite Costa Rican, Alberto.
And it's DMZ TV, baby. And we out. 2, 3, and...
Alrighty, guys. Well, the hookah's ready. We are gonna... Fuck. Shit. I forgot.
I'm gonna fuck shit.
Alright.
God damn. They're on a date first. Ugh.